5 free AI tools in 2025 to boost your productivity. Want to save hours every week and get more done? Here are 5 free AI tools in 2025 that can help you work smarter, automate boring tasks, and stay ahead whether you're a student, professional, or creator. First is ChatGPT. It's like having a personal assistant for brainstorming, writing, and problem solving. Draft emails, create study notes, or even debug code in minutes. It's free to start and works on almost any device. Next is Notion AI. If you already use Notion for notes or projects, this AI upgrade is a game changer. Summarize long pages, generate task lists, or come up with ideas for reports instantly. It's perfect for organizing your life. Third, Tome AI. Need a presentation fast? Just type your topic and Tome creates a full set of slides with text and visuals in seconds. Great for students and professionals who want to save time. Fourth, Gamma app. Similar to Tome, but focused on quick documents, decks, and web pages. Create clean, modern presentations or docs without worrying about design. Finally, Perplexity AI. It's a smarter search engine that gives you clear, cited answers instead of endless links. Perfect for research and quick fact-checking. Which tool will you try first? Let us know in the comments.